Alrighty, boys, we got a rare gem for you to look at here today. 1994 Subaru SVX that Mr. Spark picked up for a reasonable price not that long ago. He just went ahead and got the exhaust done on it. If you guys know anything about SVXs, parts are hard to find, and especially exhaust system components, pretty much unobtainium.
Yep.
You got to have somebody custom make you an exhaust, and well, we probably should have went with somebody else for an exhaust, but this guy did an all right job, I guess.
We'll play with it.
But these SVXs, they got the boxer, but it's a 6-cylinder, not the 4-cylinder, so it's got a little bit more ponies, but they only came with automatics because back in '94 they didn't have a transmission strong enough to hold up to that 3.3, so they don't have a manual option. But people have been doing all kinds of crazy swaps. These things are like have like a cult following on Facebook for them. But they got a lot of glass on them, and then they got this weird looking. They look like a futuristic kind of goofy car. But yeah, it's got an H6 24 valve. Scooby boxer, same boxer design, just obviously bigger. Looks pretty tight in here though. Yeah. That's for sure. Like if you had to work on it, I feel like it wouldn't be very fun.
Look at all the hoses back here.
Oh yeah.
There's like 10 hoses back there.
But how many miles are on it?
265, I believe.
So yeah, about 270.
Motor, transmission, and all the suspension done on it.
Interior's got like, I mean, it's like a leather kind of with felt trimming. Smells like just old 90s car, like my old crappy 90s car pretty much. But no, it only has 255.
Oh, does it?
255 on the dash. But the old cassette tape radio, I think, in it.
He left a bunch of cassettes in the center too.
No, it's probably some Seals and Crofts, dude. But anyways, I think it's got power, everything. Sunroof too.
Sunroof, yeah.
I heard they leaked from the sunroof in some spots, but
Not this one.
but yeah, this is 94. I don't know what colors they all came in, but I think this was a nice white in its day. A little bit of bubbling, and then underneath, Spark said it's probably close to any other 250,000 mile car. Pretty rotten, but the rims, some kind of racing rims, Maxim alloy wheels or something like that. But he's gonna go ahead and cold start it, and we'll listen to what the heck this thing. And usually these had dual exhaust, I believe, but he just made it a single on the right side. So.
Forgot a part.
Oh yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah. What the hell?
Oh, that's gotta be the trash can, dude. It's gotta be that thing making it sound like poop.
There's so much air coming out of it.
Yeah.
Do it again. It's gotta be that. You put a fart kit on that, it's gonna sound so much better.
Yeah, dude, I think it's gotta be that little tip on the end that sounds like crap.
Dude, you put a fart kit on there, it's gonna sound 1,000 times better.
It sounds pretty quiet though.
Yeah,
Spark gave her the full sign. He did a 0 to 100 pull the other day when he got the exhaust back, so he said it went pretty good. But like I said, this is a pretty rare item. You don't see a lot of these around anymore. Somebody said there ain't that many left out there, unless they got some guys hoarding them. But just for us to have one of these is pretty cool. First one I ever seen, so figured I'd show you guys that. But not a bad piece. But she trying to roar.
Oh, the batteries broke. I never tightened up the negative.
Nice. But pretty solid little unit here. I told Spark he should just put it in a time capsule and fucking leave it, but he's like, oh, I need to daily it. See ya, buddy.
Yeah.
He's like, I want to daily it. I'm like, that's probably not a good idea, but it's already rusted, so I guess you're not really doing much harm anymore. But yeah, that's the old SVX.